Hi everyone, today we are discussing about the topic Newton's third law of motion. The same scientist, Isaac Newton, who discovered the law of gravitation also discovered the three laws of motion. Today in this video, we are discussing about the third law of motion. What is the Newton's third law? The third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction that act with the same momentum and opposite velocity. That is, Newton's third law states that every action has equal and opposite reaction. This is what we call the Newton's third law. Then we can take some examples to demonstrate the Newton's third law effectively. Can we go to the examples? First of all, we take an example of a balloon which is blown. When the air in the balloon rushes down, the reaction is that the balloon goes up. When air in the balloon rushes down, the reaction is that the balloon goes up. First come action is the rushing down of the air, and because of that action, the balloon goes up. This is what we call the action-reaction pair. Next, we can consider another example, person sitting on a chair. In this situation, the person experiences a downward force on the chair and also it is considered as the action. And the chair also experiences a upward force on the person itself so that the chair will not collapse and the person can easily sit on a chair. Another excellent example quoted for the Newton's third law of motion is the rocket propulsion. What is the action in this reaction? Okay, the action is the propulsion of the fuel in the downward direction and also the rushing of the rocket in the upward direction is termed as the reaction. Thus, it is opposite to each other and we can consider it as a action-reaction pair. Due to the propulsion of fuels in the downward direction, as a result of that, rocket goes in the upward direction. And also next picture, we can see a boy jump from a boat. Here the action is the boy's feet exert a force on a boat and as a result of that a reaction boat exerts a force on the feet. As a result of this the boat moves little bit backward. This is what we see in the action-reaction pair in this picture. Thus we can see that every action has equal and opposite reaction and there is an action and reaction pair. Thank you.